In this lesson, we're going to start working with the product endpoint. So in the Postman, let's open this product by ID endpoint. This is basically a GET request. We'll take the product ID and returns the product detail. So let's try to create a method for this endpoint. Inside the Wheel Studio, just copy this get categories method and paste it here. Right after that, let's rename this method to get product by ID. And then just pass the product ID parameter of integer type inside this method. Now let's copy the URL of your API endpoint and then paste it here. Now we need to pass the product ID parameter here with string concatenation. Here I'm using this string concatenation and then pass this ID here. Now let's go to the Postman. And here you can see that this request will just return the details of the product in JSON format. So instead of passing the list of categories, let's pass the product class here. And then make the return type of this method to task of product. We have removed the list because this endpoint will not return the list of product. It just returns the product object. Alright? So far we have created this method. Now we'll continue our work in the next lesson.